Iraqi Dinar, Vietnamese Dong, USD, and global currency trends. Navigating economic transformations. At Dinar Exchange Chronicles, we deliver reliable news, expert analysis, and easy-to-follow guides to help you navigate the ever-changing financial landscape. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our growing community for timely updates and invaluable information. As we begin a new year, Iraq finds itself at a critical juncture in its economic journey, undergoing transformative shifts in its financial strategies, particularly regarding the Iraqi dinar's role in the global economy. Recent developments have sparked significant interest, and today we'll break down these changes, focusing on the future of the Iraqi dinar, the Central Bank of Iraq's CBI policies, and the cessation of currency auctions. The history of Iraq's currency auctions. For over 20 years, Iraq relied on currency auctions managed by the CBI to supply US dollars for trade and economic activities. Originally conceived as a temporary solution, the auctions became integral to Iraq's financial framework, driven by geopolitical pressures and international obligations. However, in a decisive move toward modernizing its financial infrastructure, the CBI has officially announced the end of the currency auction system, marking a pivotal step in Iraq's financial evolution. Why are currency auctions ending? The auction system stabilized Iraq's foreign exchange market by ensuring an adequate supply of US dollars. However, it also fostered dependency on foreign currency, stifling Iraq's financial independence. Former CBI Governor Dr. Sinan al-Shabibi long envisioned a self-sufficient Iraqi economy. Yet, external pressures such as war reparations and geopolitical challenges prolonged reliance on auctions. Iraq's current leadership, determined to break this cycle, is now building a more sustainable financial model. Transitioning to a new financial system. Iraq is moving toward a modern financial framework. This involves working with correspondent banks to facilitate internal and external trade while reducing reliance on foreign currency. The CBI can now focus on priorities such as financial stability, market development, and long-term sustainability. The reforms, expected to be fully operational by the end of 2024, are progressing smoothly. Deputy Governor Omar al-Attar reassured the public that these changes are both necessary and permanent. Empowering Iraqi citizens. One of the most exciting outcomes of these reforms is the empowerment of Iraqi citizens. Historically, limited access to financial education hindered their ability to engage with global markets or understand Forex trading and stock investments. New initiatives aim to address this gap. Financial literacy campaigns and television programs are helping citizens participate in foreign exchange markets, trade Iraqi dinars on international platforms, and invest in the country's stock market. With increased financial knowledge, Iraqis can improve their economic prospects, enhance purchasing power, and seize opportunities in local and global markets. Broader economic reform strategies. Iraq's journey toward financial independence is part of broader efforts to modernize its economy. Reducing reliance on foreign currencies and implementing advanced electronic trade systems are at the forefront of these changes. By automating customs operations and retail transactions, Iraq is laying the groundwork for a robust financial ecosystem. Scheduled for full integration by January 2025, these initiatives will position Iraq as a more attractive destination for foreign investment and global trade. Challenges and opportunities. To align with international standards, Iraq must ensure the Iraqi dinar is listed on Forex markets with a reference rate. While this presents challenges, it also creates opportunities for strengthening the economy and enhancing global market integration. Toward a promising future, Iraq's transition from outdated systems to a modern financial framework signals a significant milestone. ending dollar auctions, introducing new financial tools, and fostering financial literacy pave the way for a prosperous future. Key updates on the Iraqi Dinar, IQD, and Vietnamese Dong, VND. The Iraqi Dinar and Vietnamese Dong remain focal points for global currency watchers. Recent developments highlight 1. Iraq's economic reform milestones. Iraq has phased out the dollar auction model in favor of a currency basket strategy, increasing the dinar's global positioning. 2. Monetary stabilization. New mechanisms ensure financial stability, combating challenges like inflation and smuggling while increasing transparency. 3. Digital currency potential. A digital dinar could address corruption and inefficiencies while fostering global confidence in Iraq's economy. 4. Speculation on revaluation. While the Iraqi dinar's revaluation remains speculative, measures like collecting damaged and counterfeit notes hint at significant reform potential. Vietnam's monetary stability. While Vietnam has focused on monetary stability amid steady economic growth, the Vietnamese Dong, VND, continues to gain gradual strength. Vietnam's emphasis on industrial development, exports, and foreign investment positions, it has a rising power in Southeast Asia. Looking ahead, Iraq and Vietnam are both undertaking transformative economic journeys. Iraq's shift from heavy oil reliance to financial diversification and international collaboration. Vietnam's progress, achieving growth through consistent industrial and export-oriented policies. As these nations continue reforming, global investors and analysts will watch closely. The coming months promise pivotal moments for both countries, shaping the future of global financial markets.